Hi, my name is Randy Wimmer, and in 2020, I had just sold my third company in 5 years. I had won hundreds of millions of dollars in prime contracts for these companies, and I just assumed that after I cleared my last non-compete, that I would be able to sit back and receive tons of offers from various companies, various institutions, and so on. I didn't. Then I took a step back and I asked myself why. I was just as credentialed, if not way more so than a lot of people in my industry, but yet I had no opportunities coming in. I did a quick Google of my name and I realized that a dead distant cousin that I had who passed away in the 1980s, his obituary actually ranked higher than I did on Google. I was being beat by somebody who was not only inactive for the last 40 years, but who was dead. That's pathetic. I had no personal brand. I quickly realized that I had qualifications, I had credentials, I had a strong resume, but I had no personal brand, I had no reputation, and I had no network. Then I met Jonathan Geyer. Jonathan Geyer, he is an expert at social media marketing. He is one of the top 300 voices in LinkedIn. Now that is 300 out of a billion users. And he started to work with me. And since 2021, my reputation has been growing and growing and growing. Now I have opportunities coming in, I would say, every 1 to 2 months. I have a very interesting, just beautiful opportunity. But I don't consider any of these opportunities. Why? Because instead, I felt so strongly with what Jonathan was doing that he and we launched Create Personal Equity together so we could help other people who were in the same situation that I was. Highly successful professionals, but had no personal brand, had no reputation, had no credibility. And by doing this, we are helping people achieve their dreams. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us directly.